Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Jojo. You're welcome to my channel, JojoConnect. On this channel, I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. Today, I want to show you a very quick way to unlock your iPhone. Yeah, very quick way. You can just set it up and it will unlock once you say the word to your iPhone. Okay, let's get to it. First, you want to get a marker and you want to make a visible shading on the numbers that you have used as your keyword numbers to open up your phone, just like I'm doing right here. I'm actually marking the phone. You can see the signs. That's the signs of the marks. Now it's important because I need to know where the numbers are when I'm actually configuring my voice control so I can open up my phone. You want to go to your settings. So we're going to go to settings. And then you want to go straight to accessibility. Click on accessibility. Then you want to go straight to voice control. As you can see, it's off, so you want to turn it on. So just click on voice control and then you turn on voice control. Now what you want to do is to go straight to customize commands. Customize commands. Okay, and then you want to go straight to create new command. Now what I want to do in this case is I'll just set a new command. I'll just set it as JojoConnect. Okay, is actually taking the voice straight up. So what I'll do now is uh okay, let me just stop talking because what I'm saying is being written under the voice control. Jojo Connect. So what you want to do is, you see I've highlighted the spot where my password is. So I'm just going to click on it so it can recognize where the passwords are. 316031, and I save. So, so let's test it out. Jojo Connect. So guys, as you can see, how cool was that? So all you need to do is to just do the same on your iPhone and you can, you know, open up your phone without having to press the key password numbers again on your phone. All you need to do is to say the word and your phone will be opened up. I trust you've learned something today. Please leave a like for this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Jojo Connect and I'm signing out now. See you guys in my next video. Cheers.